Hello and welcome to the product demo for tiny tone blocks. Okay, we're going to fly through this. We're going to block off the tremolo of this electric guitar. This is a Floyd Rose. It'll work for Floyd Rose. It'll work for Stratocaster tremolos. It'll work for PRS tremolos. Any kind of electric guitar that's got a metal tone block with a gap there, we're going to fill that gap up with wood, and we're going to turn this tremolo guitar into a hardtail bridge guitar to fix your tuning issues, hopefully. So we'll open up the kit. Nice little kit. It's filled with various sizes of maple blocks, different thicknesses, and gives you a piece of sandpaper in case you need to trim something down. Okay, all we got to do, set the guitar up. Okay, now if I move the guitar this way, flexes the block, we're going to open that slot up a little bit. We're going to grab a couple of these. Let's try that. Let's try this and see. That's just a little too loose. Let's grab a couple more pieces and see what happens. Let's try this combination here. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's open it up. Yeah. All right. That's in there nice and snug. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bar out. We can no longer use this. Give it a good shake. All right. Now look, the bridge is flat with the top of the guitar. That's just where we want to be. The blocks are being held in by the string tension. The strings are pulling this way, which makes the trem block go that way, which squeezes that in there. So this is in there. This is a hardtail bridge. What you would do now is remove these screws and the retainers. You don't need those anymore. You can still use your fine tuners. It's not going to do anything to the guitar. And use your big tuners to get it however you want to do it. To get rid of it and to reverse it, put your bar back in, flex it, give it a little space, reach in there and pull those out. That's it. You're back in business with your tremolo. That's it. Tiny tone blocks, give it a try. Thanks for watching.